These are today's headlines from the Battalion Newsroom. I'm Callie Turner. Barack Obama will be the nation's first black president after winning the general election Tuesday night in an electoral college landslide. The Democratic senator from Illinois told a crowd of supporters that change has come. Obama defeated Republican Senator John McCain in a string of battleground states including Ohio, Florida, and Virginia. Tuesday night, students across campus reacted to the election results, and the general sentiment was excitement.
I'm really proud of him. The whole week I've been really nervous. I've been wearing my Obama shirts and everything, but you know, we didn't know, and tonight we're really excited.
It's really exciting. I mean, this is probably one of the most historically, exciting events to happen in our lifetime, in our parents' lifetime. So it's a really exciting thing, I think.
I'm really excited about the change it's bringing about in this country. I think that tonight is going to be a night that we're going to see in our children's textbooks, and I'm just so excited about it.
I'm just really excited right now that Obama won the presidential election. I really wanted him to win. It wasn't just about race, because it's never about race, because I like some stuff that McCain said, but I like more what Obama said, what he was more about, the stuff he did when he was running, the stuff he said, like everything, the group of people he was supporting, the group of people he went to talk to, all the organizations he built around. In high school, I had the chance to go to one of his conventions, and he kind of shook my hand and he talked to me, said a few words to me because I got to meet him. Yeah, Obama's a cool guy, and I was just really excited when I found out he was president.
I was a McCain supporter pretty much from the beginning. Kind of bummed Obama, more of a landslide than it could have been, but I really felt that no matter who was elected president, there were a lot of empty promises that were made on both sides that really won't be fulfilled as in every other election. So it really doesn't matter who was elected president. The more important race tonight was the congressional election, which party controls the House, which party controls the Senate, because they're the ones that are going to decide whether or not the president's policies get pushed through.
I was a McCain supporter. Really sad that he didn't win. I've been in love with him since like 4th grade. My family's pretty Republican, so I'm a little upset that Obama won. I don't really believe in all of his, I actually believe in none of his opinions. I think a lot of people voted for him just because of his good political speaking, and I just don't think he's going to do much, so hopefully he won't get reelected for 4 years from now.
I'm actually a fan of the Libertarian Party, so not either Republican or Democrat. It's kind of hard to win when you're a third party. Either way, whatever person won, it was kind of a give or take. Some things I agree with Obama and some things I agree with McCain.
In local elections, Chet Edwards, Aggie class of 1974, secured his seat as the U.S. Congressman for the 17th Congressional District. Incumbent John Cornyn kept Republican control of the U.S. Senate Texas seats, and Bill Turner was elected to a 7th term as Brazos County District Attorney. For more on these stories, check out the online edition of The Battalion at thebat.com or read Wednesday's edition of The Battalion. I'm Callie Turner. Thanks for watching.